I need my books. I want everything ready today.
Let me check again. Everything looks good.
Okay, I can do this.
Come on, Anna, let's go together.
This school looks very big. There are many people here. I'm inside now. Everything looks new.
Where should I go?
They are already sitting. They look comfortable here. I feel a little different. I will stay here for now. My hands feel tight.
I hope I'm okay.
Hello, Anna. You can come in. You are safe here.
Okay, thank you. I feel a little better now.
I will sit here, Anna.
I put my bag here. Let me sit carefully.
Good morning, everyone. How are you today?
They know what to do.
Let's start with something easy.
I need to listen. I'm not sure yet. Everyone is working.
That something is very easy.
Jack looks ready. I will do the same. Slowly, one step. I can do this.
Take your time, Anna.
I will keep going. That feels better. I finished it.
Great job, Anna.
I did it. I feel more relaxed now. I can sit like this.
Let's work together, everyone. You can help each other.
Jack is looking at me.
Hi, Anna. We can do this together.
Okay. Yes, let's try.
Sit down, please.
This is fun.
Look at this.
We did it together. That was nice.
Good teamwork. I like how you help each other.
I feel happy here. This feels okay. Everything feels friendly. I'm ready now. My first day is better. I can do this.
Everyone, let's focus again and sit comfortably for the next lesson.
I feel comfortable in my seat now, and my body feels calm. Everything feels quiet and gentle excitement inside me at school.
Good work today, everyone. I am proud of your effort.
Anna, you did very well today, and you tried your best.
She noticed me, and that makes me feel happy today.
See you tomorrow, Anna. It will be fun at school.
See you, Jack. I'm glad you are my friend today.
That is all for today. Thank you for working together.
Tomorrow will be easier, and I am not scared anymore. I want to come back and learn more tomorrow here. I feel curious and excited about school now today inside. I'm ready for tomorrow, and I know I can do this.